Hey, I'm Kevin, and welcome to What We Thought. I got to tell you, when Elizabeth and I met, she has this 2008 Prius, right? And you know, the Priuses, normally you can walk up, touch the handle, it'll open up with, and you have your fob handy. It has the push button start. This is a 2008. And so, anyway, when we met, her car locks and unlocks with the fob, but when it's locked, you can't get in the car without pressing the unlock. So you unlock it. You get inside and it won't, you can't push the button to have it start. You have to actually put the fob in this car. It has like a little fob holder thing where you stick your key in there and then it'll start. So let me show you. I Googled and Googled and Googled and searched, and everybody, you know, it's like, oh, you got to put the key in 3 times. 1, 2, 3, open the door and close it 6 times. You know, put your head on the end of a baseball bat and spin 3 times and jump up and down on 1 foot. Doesn't work, okay? So finally, I was looking through one of the threads, and one last comment, a guy mentioned something. I'm like, maybe that's it. So I checked, and it's so super simple. It's ridiculous. But anyway, so let me show you how to get this key fob to start your engine, to be able to unlock your doors again without even just having it on your person, is how everything should work with these Priuses. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, so right now I have the fob. The door will not open. It should just open, but I have to push the unlock to go in. Hopefully the sun doesn't get in the way, but I have the fob. Will not start. Okay, and this Prius here has this, let's see if I can see it in here. Okay, so it has this key thing. You got to stick your key in there, then push the button, and it starts. Okay? So, you know, I thought, well, maybe I can just press all the codes and, you know, get it working. I didn't want to take it to Toyota dealer because, you know, it shouldn't be this difficult. Well, it's not. So if you have a 2004 to, I think, 2009 Toyota, if you're having this same issue, this is all you got to do. Underneath your steering wheel, right here, you know what that says? Key. Press it. And that's all you got to do. And then right here is your TPM reset. So anytime you change the pressure in your tires, get new tires, adjust it for winter or summer, you press and hold that for 3 seconds and it'll set your TPM. So simple, right? So let me just demonstrate how this is supposed to work. Now, to lock the car, you can just push that button. Here, it locks, okay? And then I have the key fob in my pocket. You touch it, it unlocks. Lock it. It won't open unless you put your hand in here, and it automatically unlocks. That's how it's supposed to work. Okay. So now I'm inside the car. The key is not inside here. It's in my pocket, and all I got to do, put my foot on the brake and push the power button, and it comes on. That's how you fix it, with that little button right there. Okay, it's that easy. It's just that key button. Why didn't anybody on any of my searches, somebody go in there and tell you to push that button? Months and months and months. I've Googled it a few times. I keep getting the same videos. I keep getting the same answers, and that's all it is. All right. If you have a 2004 to 2009 and your key fob is not starting your car remotely with it in your pocket or in your purse, look to see if it has that little key button and press that key button. I can see how it got turned off. If you're getting out of the car in a hurry, your knee could probably hit that. And like she told me, she goes, well, it used to work, but it just stopped working, you know, before we met. So anyway, problem solved. I hope that helps somebody out there. And thanks for watching at What We Thought. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and join us on our journey.